How to become a millionaire in cryptocurrency with just $100. Guys, it's a lot easier than it seems. You just go ahead and grab those $100 and stick it right into Dogecoin and you'll be a millionaire in no time. I'm just kidding, guys. That is probably the easiest way to lose $100 in crypto. So what is the best way to realistically become a crypto millionaire with $100? Is it trading, staking, NFTs, yield farming? No. Your best bet at becoming a crypto millionaire with just $100 is finding and investing into highly undervalued cryptocurrency projects and investing into them at the right time in accordance with the overall cryptocurrency market cycles. Stay tuned and I'll break it down and explain to you exactly how to do that. Alright, so as you're getting into this cryptocurrency space, you're going to be seeing videos that are talking about, oh, this cryptocurrency is ready to 100x overnight, or 1,000% potential gains with this crypto gem, and they're going to be talking about the project, you know, hyping it up, and you're going to believe them. You're going to go ahead and grab your $100 and stick it right into this coin thinking that you just hit a home run. So here's what really happens. They already invested into that coin long before they ever made a video on it, right? And by the time you're watching the video, it's already up 20-30% in the past 24 hours, and that's exactly where the person who made the video is selling their bag of that cryptocurrency. So you're buying in at 20-30% thinking, oh, well, I might as well buy in now before it goes up even more. You check back the next day, now you're down 10-15% from your original $100, right? And then in 2 or 3 days, they're posting another video on some other crypto gem, and this is gonna take off, and then you're like, oh, well, maybe it didn't work out with this other coin, so I'm gonna go ahead and grab now my 85 of my original $100, $85, and I'm gonna stick it into this coin. Same thing happens. Then you're in this vicious cycle of jumping in the coins once it's really too late. That is definitely what you do not want to do. So how do you find these, you know, low cap gems, these younger cryptocurrencies before they take off, before they have all the hype behind them, before the price is already up 20, 30, 40%? The key to becoming highly successful in cryptocurrencies is this. You need to have sources, okay? And I'm not saying any sources, not just, you know, oh, so-and-so called out some coin. No. You need to have experts in the space, people that have been in crypto for a while, that know how to invest in this market, okay? Having those sources will lead you to investing into the right cryptocurrencies, again, before they're mainstream, before they've taken off, okay? And the best thing you can do in this space is completely invest yourself into this crypto market, okay? You need to dive headfirst into it. Do as much research and acquire as much information as possible. Doing so will allow you to make the right investments and see exponential gains in cryptocurrency. And with the right, you know, sources, you can know when to get out of the market, right? To sell your cryptocurrencies before we go into a bear market. Once you've made exponential returns with, you know, your certain cryptocurrency investments, then it's as simple as rinse and repeat, right? Again, in accordance with the overall cryptocurrency market cycles. If you play your cards right with $100, you could turn that into, you know, a pretty nice little chunk of change by the end of this year, by the end of this bull market. And then going into the next bull run, 2025, you know, investing early, you know, 2023, 2024, you can see that $1 million level, that millionaire status by 2025. So yes, your best chance at making exponential gains in cryptocurrency is doing as much research and acquiring as much information about different cryptocurrencies as possible. So let's say you want to take advantage of the generational wealth that cryptocurrency can provide to you, but you don't have the time to be learning all the ins and outs or going through the learning curve. Or let's say you already are into cryptocurrency, you've gone through that learning curve, but you want to make sure you're doing things right. You want to make sure that you are maximizing gains in this bull run cycle. If you want somebody to walk you through it step by step on everything you need to know, everything you need to do, have set up to make the right investments in cryptocurrency, you can sign up for one-on-one mentorship with me through the Patreon link in the description below. And today is March 1st. It is the best day of the month to sign up. The earlier in the month that you sign up for Patreon, the better value you get, the best bang for buck you can get. Make sure to drop a like on the video, comment down below, subscribe to the channel, and you can follow me on Instagram through the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.